Welcome all to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be covering information about AWS Community Builders program. You might have seen AWS Community Builder logo in my video thumbnails. I started adding this logo once I was admitted into the first batch of Community Builders program. So with this program, AWS aims to create a strong community of AWS users or experts by providing mentorship, technical resources and networking opportunities with the fellow builders. So I applied to the first batch of Community Builders program in August last year and became part of it in October 2020. They announced the results in October 2020. So since then, it's been a very good experience being in the group of like-minded people which are eager to learn and share information on AWS. This is the homepage of Community Builders program. You can search on Google about AWS Community Builders and you'll land here. You can see the details here. What are the benefits of joining this program? Then program FAQs. Applications for the next batch of Community Builders program will open in Q1 2021. So you can enter your email ID here and you'll get to know about this through your emails. Otherwise, you can follow me on LinkedIn and I'll be posting the details once this program is open for new members. Let me explain you the benefits of joining AWS Community Builders program. So the first and foremost is connecting with other AWS enthusiasts. So the biggest benefit of joining this community is ability to connect with other builders. You can ask your questions, help each other and learn more on your journey as a builder. So in this program, there are AWS heroes, AWS subject matter experts, their product manager, developer advocates with whom you can directly message and initiate your conversations. If you're facing any technical doubt, you can ask directly in the groups. So this is a very good platform. So we have a Slack channel in the Community Builders where you will be added and you will have access once you are admitted into this program. And apart from Slack, there's a dev.to community page specifically for the builders where everyone shares their blog posts about different experiences, different POC they are creating. Then there would be webinars, both technical as well as product knowledge. These webinars are hosted by AWS product managers and developer advocates mostly. Then apart from that, you get a swag welcome kit. So that contains a few goodies with AWS Builders branding. I received my Community Builders swag kit today only and I'll be doing the unboxing at the end of this video. Then you get one certification voucher for the AWS certification. So I did my data analytics certification from this exam voucher only and I've shared a detailed video on how to prepare for that. So you can check that out in my YouTube channel. Then AWS credit of $500. This is huge. So each member receives a $500 credit. The code for this credit is on a physical card which is inside your welcome kit. I'll be showing you that. So you can use this promotional credit for your side hustles on AWS, your POCs or any other learning on AWS. And guess what? If you exhaust this credit, $500 credit, there's an opportunity for another 500 credit. So if you have any specific project in mind, you can mail to the topic leader and they'll share you a new coupon. Then you get free subscription of Cloud Academy, which is, I feel that the best gift to AWS Community Builders. Cloud Academy is one of the best places to learn about AWS and other cloud environments. You get numerous courses and labs on this platform. Whether you are preparing for certification exam or appearing for any interview, Cloud Academy will serve all the purposes. Then you will get a reInvent discount passes. So reInvent 2020 was all online, but when reInvent is a live event again in 2021, might be in Q4 2021, you will get a good discount on your pass if you are a part of Community Builders program. Then there are service beta opportunities. So you can apply for AWS services, betas and previews, and you can test those services at your end and give your feedback to the AWS. As per me, these are very good benefits, and overall it will be a very good experience of being part of such a good program offered by AWS. I would highly encourage everyone to apply for this program. Now I'll show you the unboxing of my Swag kit. So let's get started.